Time to learn how to do a chopper boss base. Here's one way. Take out the airfields because there are too many choppers to deal with. So I get a Maverick, kill the airfields, or two more. We'll kill them both, then we'll attack from the front. After we kill him, we'll bring in some troops and we'll start the process. This is one way to do it, but it doesn't cause a lot of damage if you're careful. All right, let's bring in. We got technicals. We got Dark Storm. Deselect. Right there. Deselect. Let's get rid of that other airfield. All right, now we're going to use our technicals to get rid of the tower. All right, that's enough of that. Now I'm going to retreat my technicals. I'm going to bring in some escorts. And these are just to take out some of the problem areas. Once everything else starts flying in, I don't want anything that I have to deal with. It's going to do me any damage. So I just take out a little bit of the front. You don't have to take out all this stuff. You can choose to if you want to, but you don't need to. All right, that's good enough. Now I'll bring him over here. Come on. Good enough right there. Deselect him. Okay, we got our technicals in. Now basically, we're just going to kill all the stuff as it comes. And if we don't screw up, we should have success. They're going to come in from over here now. Oh, okay, we got a chopper boss coming in from the northeast. They're all going to chase after you, Cerberus. So once they start chasing for that, you just let him know how much attention. Now, if the red circles show up, I don't think this guy has them. I think the next guy has them. Stay away, because that will kill your technicals. I wasn't careful the first time. I lost them. You don't have to worry about the rest of the base. There's nothing in the rest of the base that's going to have any consequence. Just take out the air. There's nothing but a lot of choppers. Okay, here's the next one. I think we have 4 or 5 bosses that show up. This guy may have the little red circles. If he does, just stay away from them. They will kill all your technicals. All right, let's take him out. Yep, he does. So just watch the circles and that you're not in them. Okay, we survived it. I don't think the rest of them have the little red circles. You just have to kill choppers and then you're done. I think there are 2 more boss choppers that we have to kill. We'll find out. They're all attacking the Cerberus, so once they get locked onto the Cerberus, you can just shoot like crazy. All right, this one's got circles, so you got to be careful. Get him out of the circle. Looks like we got more bosses to deal with than we would love to have. Uh-oh. Get out of the circles. Okay, that's what happens sometimes. I just lost a tuna. It happens. I didn't move fast enough. That's it. And you get chopper part and 25,000. So, if you're a knucklehead like me, you can lose some technicals. That's it.